Hi, and welcome to this Form Titan and Salesforce demo video about smart verification for Salesforce. In our previous video, we have shown you how to use the smart verification control to check if the user that is entering their details is really the user they're saying they are, by sending them a security code to the email address they enter. Once they enter that security code, they can get in. Now, what I wanted to show you is how you can configure the smart verification with sessions and all sorts of other settings that we have. Okay, let's get started. The first and easy thing to do is to enable session. What does that mean? That means that if the user comes again to the same form, he can or she can enter the form without having to log in again in a certain number of minutes. So let's put, for example, 1 minute, and I'll publish this form. I'll go and I'll view it, and obviously it will ask me to log in. So I'll put in my email address, just like that. And then it will go and send me a code. I'll just go to Salesforce to grab this code instead of waiting for the email. Here is my code. I'll copy it and I'll paste it in here, and voila, I'm in. Now if I come to the form again, so if I refresh the page or something like that, you'll see that it is automatically letting me come into the form without having to enter my email address and then getting the security code. That's because we enabled the session. Now the session lasts for only 1 minute, so in a few seconds, if I refresh the page, it will ask me to log in again because I only set it for 1 minute. Yeah, obviously in real life scenarios, you will probably set it for about 10 or 60 minutes or whatever amount of time you'd like it to be. Okay, so instead of waiting a few minutes, I'll just pause the video for a minute and I refresh the page after a minute and it asks me to log in. That's how simple it is to keep the user logged in, if you like. Now we have something called shared sessions, which means you can pass the session between forms as well. So you select the form and say, okay, share this session from another form, and you select the form you will share the session from. That way they log into one form, and if you direct them to another, they don't have to re-log in. That's how it works. I'll set this for 10 minutes so I don't have to log in again. And then what we can also do, we can set the email settings as I showed you before. So you can say from name is my form, reply to is my form at formtitan.com, and then we can tell you please use this security code to access my form, for example. And here again you can change it. I will not change that. I'll click apply and then save. And now if we go back to our form, refresh it, log in, and now if I'll show you the email, so this is the email I've got, so you can see from my form, and you can see where is the reply to and so on, and you can see please use this security code to access my form. I can copy that, and now I'm back into my form. That's how easy it is to customize the smart verification control to do all these nice settings. Okay, the other thing we have is the ability to bypass the email. So you don't want to send an email to the contact to tell them, okay, this is your security code. Maybe you want them to enter an email and maybe their first name or their full name and match on that, or any other field to check on. We will check on the email and first name, for example. So you can say disable the two-factor authentication, i.e. the sending of the code, and I'll go to map fields and I'll click configure Salesforce integration. No, sorry, what I'll do is I'll just need to add the first name because I don't need to configure anything else. I just add the first name. I don't put anything against it, but that will prompt the user to enter the first name. So let's see that in action. If we save that, I've removed the sessions just to show you how it works. So I'll put my email, and then I'll put my name and I'll misspell it, for example, and so it will tell me invalid login, but if I put the right name, I'm in, and again I can use the form. So you got quite a few ways of using the smart verification control. I hope that helped you today.